So this is the 2021 Ford Bronco Wildtrak, but in the Highway Patrol version, in the California Highway Patrol version. And to be honest with you guys, I didn't even pick this one out because I didn't get a chance to. When I pulled it out of the shipper, I showed my sister, who was also there, and she decided to call dibs. So this one is hers, but she let me review it, so thanks to her, we can actually look at it. And it seems like this one has a lot more packaging around it with the plastic and everything. So let me take everything off and then we can see a lot more. So with it out of the box and everything, we can take a better look at it. This is the outside. License plate says Bronco on it. You have your decorative spare tire in the back. The sides, and this is a 2-door, not a 4-door, which I'm curious if they will, but I don't think so. Pretty nice looking car so far. If only these lit up as well. I'm not the biggest fan of Broncos. I do think this is a nice modernized version of the classic one, but it doesn't need to be as expensive as it is, but that's just the way new cars are. I think they only offer up to like V6s as well, which even then is still a lot of money for a Bronco, but or even a Ford in general. Like something that's not a GT, almost $100,000 or more for a Bronco is way too much money for a Ford. But almost $100,000 for a Ford that's not the GT, still a whole lot of money. But that's just the market we're in now, I guess. So let's take a look at the engine. Really difficult to tell what's in here, but I think it has a V6, or I think there's a V6 in there. It's just really difficult to tell where exactly it's at because everything is molded in black, but you get the idea. Like it's tucked in there, but that's all we're gonna see out of that, so that's unfortunate. Let's see the interior. A little sticky on the door there. Okay, not sure why it was sticky, but is what it is. A huge screen on the dash, smaller screen on the in front of the steering wheel. Everything is molded in black, so again, difficult to tell. You have your shifter, cup holders, just a classic Ford interior. Nothing too crazy. Now I was kind of expecting like a laptop of some kind, like how cop cars usually do. I don't know what the system is called, but I'll throw a picture of like a cop car interior. I was thinking it might have something like that, but it doesn't seem like it does. You have the trunk, which does not open all the way. The trunk, which has a good amount of space in it. Not sure if the top opens. It looks like it does, but it's plastic and it's fragile, and I really don't want to break it since it's not mine. So we'll just leave it as it is, and maybe you can try on yours to see if it opens. It looks like it does from the hinges right here, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm curious to see if the top opens, but after trying for a little bit, again, I don't want to risk it. It does look like it does. This side pops, but the back side right here doesn't. At least it's giving me a little more resistance than this side. So again, since it's not mine, I don't want to try it. I don't want to try to like damage it just to pop it off. But I can imagine it can, but I'm not sure if you're actually going to break it doing so. And this I don't think comes off because I've been trying and it doesn't seem like it. So again, unclear on the back window to see if that comes off. I'm not too sure. The roof, I have a feeling it can, but it might take some force. And again, with this plastic window right here, it's just something I don't want to try, especially since it's not mine. So again, you could try that for yourself and see if you can get it off, if you want it off. You have the underside of the Bronco, Ford Bronco 118. Doesn't say a year, but it does say made in China. Maisto. And you have all the bottom bits. With this right here, I want to say it's a 4-wheel drive, but correct me if I'm wrong. Doesn't seem there's much else, just the exhaust. That's the only thing molded in a different color. And a front skid plate, I think. The front with the bars. Again, none of the lights light up. Unfortunate, but maybe you can wire it yourself. I've seen people do that with other cars, and honestly it's pretty cool to see. But that's about it for the Ford Bronco CHP version. Again, this was just a Bronco, but it's police Bronco, so which makes it even better. And it does tower over all the cars. It does have a presence. It does have a presence, because like, imagine if the GT was out on the box. Like, it's pretty big. But this does have a presence of its own, so it's pretty cool to have in your collection. But that's about it. Thanks for watching.